Okay, we're in the home stretch of today's class. I hope it was intelligible, and I think what you should probably do is read those first 3 chapters and then rewatch me, and you will so get this. It will be a breeze. This is the easy part. It's going to get it's just going to get so much more interesting, this class. Not to worry. It really will. Okay. Social work research relies primarily upon 3 paradigms, as we said. Now, the other paradigms that we talked about in the last video were paradigms of explaining behavior, okay, that all the social sciences seem to share, or some of them might stress one over another, but basically they're all social science paradigms. Now you have paradigms about how you actually do research. So when we were talking about qualitative research, there's a way that's a methodology, that's a paradigm of how to do research that is interpretive. Interpretism is grounded in empathy and understanding what is inside a person's head, basically. It assumes that we have different ways of doing what we do, and we have them for different reasons. So qualitative researchers do this. They interview people to hear the reasons behind their behaviors and their attitudes. Positivists, people who are more wanting to measure observable phenomenon, are going to be more quantitative, probably. Positivism is knowledge based upon observation, as opposed to, say, loyalty. We try with research to make the irrational rational. The assumption is that there is an objective reality that explains phenomena. Quantitative researchers use the scientific method to explain phenomena. Qualitative researchers might use pieces of it, but not to the degree that quantitative researchers do. The third way of doing research in social work is something called the critical social science paradigm. It is critical of society and oppression and sensitive to injustice. The purpose of that research is for people who believe in this paradigm is going to be empowerment. Social workers tend to choose a paradigm. Neither is better than the other. Based upon what we've said above about postmodernism, what do you think that statement would be based upon what we're saying? Is it true or is it false that one of the paradigms is better than another? Obviously, it's false. No paradigm is better than another. It's what fits your particular research question. That's what we'll be discussing. We'll begin to discuss next time, and we'll talk about theory and how that relates, and research questions, and the beginnings of hypotheses, and we'll get into some more what you would really think of as traditional social science research methodology, which is what this class is about. Please take some time and review the syllabus, get to know what the class is all about. It sounds hard, but these are very global constructs. You're going to be doctors. You shouldn't be afraid of this stuff. It's a little heady, but I'm really not asking you to read the hardest stuff out there. There really is very, very heady, difficult stuff on all the things I've talked about today. And you don't have to read it, because if you paid attention to what we talked about today, you got the basics. All right, I'll see you on the computer next time. Please email me a little synopsis about yourself so I get to know each of you a little bit, and it's been a pleasure. Take care.